Hello friends, in this lecture we will see how to mention the dimension over the part. So my views are a little bit bigger, so click over the any view, and here I am changing this scale to 4:1. So just enter the value, the view will automatically adjust. So now views are, so here we have the smart dimension what we have used in Sketcher, and the same way we can use here. Click, the dimension will come, and here distance between this point to this point, dimension will come. Angle between these two line is okay, and the coordinate, angular dimension, diameter, see the diameter will come. And chamfer, we don't have any chamfer here, so chamfer will not work. And these all are the dimension what we have already used, like chamfer, so chamfer is not here. Auto dimension, say it is generating dimension with previous point. Okay, so from this point it is taking all the dimension, or just click this, and my first point is this, and then second is this, and click. Now if I will select this order dimension, so order dimension will come. Okay, again auto dimension, attach dimension, and this is attach, it is gone so far. So see, undo. So most of the time we use this smart dimension. With the help of this, we can specify all the dimensions. See, here and here, and distance between these. Okay, my dimension are a little bit smaller, and I want to increase the size of the text of dimensioning. So we have to go here in style, and my dimension style is ISO millimeter, and modify it. And here unit, my unit is millimeter, and here in text just go to text and change the font size, and okay, and apply. So it will apply on all the dimension. Okay, one more time, click here, ISO millimeter, and change the modification, and in text we have this 6.5. Okay, apply and close. So this is the dimension, how to specify. Okay,